Alright guys, welcome back. This is the first and this is Usdzar is very volatile, so if I don't find a good entry, I'm not entering because I've been burned a lot of time with Usdzar. How sweet it is, not, I'm telling you the truth, man. Usdzar can burn you out. And for the past week, you can see this zone has been really not nice. So let's check out the overflow and see what do we have for DXY. This is meant for weekly, not for. So what do we have for DXY? So you can see DXY is in an uptrend, and coming. I just want to put in some structuring here. I'm not sure this is going to be anything. This I'm sure came back into it, pulled up, came back into it. So this also I'm sure. Then we have this now. It's refined. It's liquefied. So rally here. It's liquefied also. Liquefied also. And so we have this mitigated demand for value gap here. There's also a fair value gap here. After this break, we have price came and broke out on this. So after breaking down on that, then this becomes a demand also. Which is, this becomes a demand. Okay. So I don't allow this one station monthly. I don't allow reduction monthly. So this is a C. So awesome. So that has been going very up. Okay, so after this break, we broke this one also. And we won't officially come back to this one. So this is not for here. So on my monthly, I've arranged my monthly time frame, and I realize that I'm bullishly inclined on Usdzar. We are still continuing the bullishness. So for any reason, if DSY wants to sell, DSY should sell down to this zone, or probably this zone. But you can see how far these zones are to each other. So whichever one DSY is interested, but I must see a quality sell setup before I engage in this. I must see a good quality sell setup before I engage in this. So so from monthly, I'm targeting this guy. So let's go down to weekly. This is so on weekly. I don't know what these guys are doing here on weekly. So let me just relieve them of their duty. So I have this trend, price has touched 1, 2, then if price come down to this third touch, we should expect a drop on the XY on USD. So because we are not here yet, let's see what we have. We are not here yet, and this is like liquidity. So this is the main one here. Okay. This is the main one here. This is the main one here. This is the sell to buy. So this is the sell to buy. Because if you look at the line, we should have this sell to buy. Yeah. So the bearish engulfing candle here. There's no sell to buy here. This is just a pure rally up. So here we have a liquidity sitting here. We have a liquidity, obvious one here. So the liquidity is sitting above this demand, then this demand should be interesting for this. Now, what am I seeing? I'm seeing price struggling to buy. I'm seeing that sellers are coming in more to sell in this zone. So I would love to clean up this zone so that I can see price purely. So price purely here, and from here we have this clear of this liquidity here, and we have take out of this high, which signifies a weekly change of factor in this high. So it helps us in breaking this high, meaning the demand responsible for this high. The only demand I can see is this demand that took out this low, which is the sell to buy. It's sold and it bought. So the demand here is this sell to buy here. So this is my weekly demand.
Oh, how did I do that?
So that's the guy that's responsible. Sold off, and we have a push to break this high. Price we corrected back into it, and we also have a weekly BOS here. So who's responsible for this weekly break here also? So when price came in here, we have this sell off base. This is the base. Price didn't come to this base. So let's go down to line because it's not really clear to me. We took out this liquidity and we got the high. So we should have this zone here. This zone took out liquidity here. This is a liquidity that was taken up, and this high was taken up. So the sell to buy here, you can see it, the sell to buy here, price came back into it before breaking out. So this zone has been tested but still valid because it tested it before breaking. So for it to have tested it before breaking, it shows that there's extreme validity inside this zone. This zone is extremely valid, so I'll leave this zone out here. And price did what here? Price did a mitigation, a continuation of mitigation here, and really didn't tap into it. So this would be also an inducement for this zone. So this is an inducement for this zone. Inducements weekly. So after the movement, we have a break of structure here. And what do we have in this break of structure here? Now I think this is where the flow started. This is the sell to buy. And let's check properly. Yeah, sell to buy. So we have the play of liquidity and break of structure. This I'm just showing you is a secret though, but you can benefit for it. This market is too wide to pay everybody, so don't keep anything. So that's the sell to buy, and push price came back into it. This is where price started the other flow. And when price came here, this is the BOS here. So price broke this high. So who's responsible for the BOS? So let's check. What do we have? Do we have any liquidity breaking? We have this low taken and this high taken. So we have this taken, this change. So our demand should be around this place. So let's go into it and see what do we have. Okay. So this is the candle. This is the highest of the candle. This is the sell to buy candle that broke this and created an inducement. This is an inducement for this bottom. And we have a slick touch, which is now really a touch to me. I love my candle to come inside, so I feel like this is a liquidity also that needs to be taken. Price didn't close inside this candle properly, so I'll push this out also. That's when you just tap. Anytime you see price with this, just know that price is coming for it. If price is not close full body inside the zone, this is a liquidity. I've just seen it a couple of times. I was taking my money a lot of time, so I feel it's a liquidity. So now, so should I say everything I have here is excluding you is garbage? Everything is garbage. That's just what I'm saying. So I have I have these two zones here. These two zones here for me. I have liquidity here. I have the liquidity here. So I feel price should come for this low. So let's look into how price got here. How the price got here? Price is a drop, base drop, which is a sell setup. So if that's a sell setup, where is my origin? This is the origin of the sell. This is the rally base drop, base drop. So this origin, I'm going to clear it out. This is my weekly supply. This is the origin of the supply. So drop, base drop has formed a liquidity here. The liquidity. This liquidity was taken. Okay. So let's zoom in to fine tune this last. So so here is the liquidity or inducements. Let's leave it here. This is the liquidity. So what do we have? We have price close below, cocoa belows. We have cocoa belows here. Price and close inside here. So is there still a possibility for price to come in here? Yeah, 50-50 chance. There's still a possibility for price to come in. here. Why? Price didn't close the full body inside here. So after price took this liquidity, price continued to change character until this man cannot change, until this man was taken. So this was the chalk here. This was where the chalk happened. So okay. So price chalked here, created a double low that needs to be taken. So this is the liquidity that we are heading for. So who is responsible for this? So we have a rally base rally. Now we have a rally base drop. So we have two supply in here. So let's look into the supply. The first one is this guy here, and the second one is this guy here. Now this guy here has been liquidated already, so we don't kill the vibe. Now if this guy has been liquidated, this guy here will be the origin of the supply. So let's go back to, okay, so let's shift this guy backward a little. Be mindful that let me do it like this. Yeah, be mindful that price can still come in here and close forward. So that's why I didn't want to take it out permanently so that I can see. So now that we are here in this chop, and this is where price retraced. This is the retracement. So retracing, we have this clearance, then this low is taken here. So this man becomes another target. Okay, I just want to go into that a little bit proper and then clean out all this that I just did. So this is the change of character, and when this change of character finished, I was expecting price to come back into it, and if price come back into it, I'm still expecting a change of character. So this is the retracement chart. This is the retracement chart here. After we had this retracement chart, we have retracements BOS also here. So we have this. I believe everything is visible. Okay, it's come on, wasting my energy. Yeah, careful. So down to the zero. Everything here, visibility, show and daily, show and one to ten. I don't know this one, so can disregard and lock it. So let's go again. So we have this low, price take out this low, signifying that we have a retracement. So whose demand is responsible? We have two demand responsible for that. We have this drop base, this base rally, this base rally, base rally. We have this base again. Then we have this final base. So we have three. First one integrated, second one integrated, third one. So this third one was taken out. So this line is supposed to come from this line here. Okay, this is last line. this one there was supply chart at the bottom. So this is weekly demand. This weekly demand. And this last one. It's too close to each other. Weekly demand. So supply choke, demand taking. Supply choke, demand taking. Okay, fine. Now, who took this demand? The person responsible for it is this man here. So inside this, we also have another weekly supply here. Inside this, we now have weekly supply. So our weekly target will be this side. So let's, with this, we can now go into weekly visibility, fine, and lock it. So now that I'm done with weekly, let's go down to daily. Okay, first, we are not part of what I'm doing. So I want to define some things here. Okay, I think I have some this one too is fine. I don't know what this is. Wow, so this one, can we use this one? So lock feedback. So this dailies as interest tap into this. We're selling out. So let's go down to okay, added some what's it called here? This flower. This is the problem. clean up everything that's going on here. And we need to clean up everything here. This is a retracement. The price was actually falling, and then retracement chop.
What does that should miss? That should dodge the attack.
Excuse me. We do have some liquidity here. So I think I have the liquidity here. The best zone for me to sell would be from this zone now. This demand. This demand is taking. This demand will tell me how I'm gonna enter this trade. This demand is taken. This demand is going to tell me how I'm gonna enter this trade. Or this one is done. Yeah, because facts, everything here, lines as spots, everything. So can I just get rid of you guys? Thank you. So I need to look into this also. I want to be sure. Since this week my target is to take on this sale and to find myself in the right spot. So how did price retrace? After this we have this low taken and this high taken. So this is where the retracement started from. This is 4 hour. Wow. Entry on weekly, entry on daily. So retracement chart at the top. What did I just do? Retracement chart. BOS stability. I don't see. Good. So after this big structure, who did that job was this person sweep this place and also sweep this place. So we have our demand here. So this will be our 4 hour demand. And let's go into it. This is 4 hour demand. So you can see it is sell to buy. Price came back to it and pulled up. So this is just the sell to buy. Price came back, pulled up, and we have retracement BOS here. So we're gonna chop here. BOS here. So after the BOS, who is responsible for this BOS? Let me clean out this panel first. So let's go down here. Who is responsible? Well, this guy here. Take out this one. Take out this one. And price came back to visit it here, which is my HWM. So let's see. Good. Wow. So this sell to buy. So this is the last person here, and this is the high here. So this is the sell to buy. Price came back and continue. So this has been integrated. Then the next one is this base here, this base here, has not been activated. Okay, so I can say this is a true liquidity for this amount here. So, but if there's a true liquidity, what are we looking at here? We're looking at a sell. So we need everything here to get rid of this. So you see how BAS unnamed here. Okay, unnamed BAS then retracement here. Okay, so here is just a sweep. Like this on our sweep, but to show for our two. Let's give it on our sweep. Okay. So that's the sweep. This is supply BS, supply chalk, the bottom. This is supply chalk, fine. So who's responsible for that? This is the person. Sweep liquidity and change. So this person becomes my 4-hour supply. So this liquidity becomes everybody's targets. So this 4-hour supply now is targeting this liquidity. Okay. Let me put it here as for each supply check. Okay, so it looks I don't know yet until I see a reaction from here. We have a lot from here. This is a full. So if this breaks, this becomes a supply. So we watch out for this. If price taps into this demand, we need this supply to take the demand out to confirm the weekly so that we can add on. So I will just wait for this setup. Come here, tap into the supply and take this out, or break it. Oh, sorry about that. I think I have so many uploads at the same time. I guess that's why it's taking a very good time. Okay, I think that is fair now. So I want to see this one first, or I want to see the breakout of this, test of this target of this. So either of the two setup, I want to see either of the two setup. Anyone that declares itself, that's the one I use to take out this weekly. So I'm bearish on this guy here. My present target is this weekly. So here can also be my let me just use line here. You can see how big this OB is. Imagine. You can see this is like 1 to 1, 1.1 to 1. This is like 1.1 to 1. So it's a really risky to take this SL than to take this buy. Okay, I think that's that point. Yes, is being able to go in deep and to see what we have presently. Yes, so this looks like a sell setup, but I don't know. DXY is looking like a bullish setup, so this guy has to give me a confirmation of a bullish setup. If this guy gives me a confirmation of a bullish setup, then I'm going to sweep this. This will be my sweep. If I get a bullish setup. Targeted. So if I get a bullish setup here, if I see price inside my zone, apparently take this out, give me this, then the sell is not ready, then we'll sweep down to target this high. I think that's that for now. Let's just be patient to see what happens inside our confirmation zone. This becomes our confirmation zone because we have two options to look out for. So whichever one prints out itself, then we are good to go. Alright, love you guys. See you guys in the next one.